Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Transit Connect radio. First, ensure you have the right tools, like trim removal tools and a Phillips head screwdriver. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before starting any electrical work. Then, gently use your trim tools to pry away the surrounding dashboard panels. This reveals the radio's mounting points. Once the trim is off, you'll see the screws securing the radio. Typically, there are 4 of them. Remove these carefully. After the screws are out, gently pull the radio unit straight out from its slot in the dashboard. Be mindful of the wires attached to the back. Now, disconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses and the antenna cable by pressing their release tabs. With all connections detached, you can now fully remove the radio from the dashboard. Take care not to snag any wires during this final step. If you plan to keep your old radio, store it in a safe, dry place. This is also a great opportunity to consider installing an aftermarket radio, which can offer modern features like Bluetooth or navigation. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Connect your new radio's wiring harness, ensuring all connections are secure and correct. Slide the unit back into place, secure it with its mounting screws, and then carefully reattach all the dashboard trim panels until they click into position. Don't forget to reconnect your battery. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.